Here I have VIVO V29, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So firstly you should select language. I'll stay with English, then tap start. Here you can select your location. I can stay with Austria, I guess. Then you should tap here, tap next. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but you can also set up device offline by just skipping this step. Then you have to set up date and time. Then you have Google services, which I suggest you to turn off. Then tap accept. Here you should you can set up screen lock, fingerprint, face unlock, but you can also just skip this step and do this later in settings. Then you can enable automatic system updates, but you can also install them manually. Tap disagree. Then next. Here you should select system navigation mode. You can use 3 buttons navigation. You can use gesture navigation. Tap next. And your phone has been set up. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.